Hey guys, I'm Tia, and I'm going to be sucking or like holding putting a spoon in my mouth full of sugar, trying to see how long I can hold it in without spitting it out. Alright, so let's see how long this will last. Alright, so my sister's going to be holding the camera. Her name's Alyssa. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, that's her. So, hope you enjoy it.
Okay.
You got it? Okay. Alright, so I have two kinds of cinnamons. I have, actually they're the same, never mind. I put two kinds in anyway. It says ground cinnamon and ground cinnamon. Anyway, so, I'm so nervous, I'm gonna cry. Okay. See this spoonful? See that? Yeah, okay. Hurry up. Okay, ready? Okay, move. I cannot believe you guys are making me do this. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, for the love of Pete. I want some more. No!
Okay.
Drop, I can do whatever. Here we go. I want to do it again.
Again? Oh, ow. Why did he do it? She loves it.
Why did I do it? Because I'm insanely awesome. You guys should try it sometime. It's perfectly good for you. No, do it again.
Yeah, you're doing it again.
It's so fun! I'm torturing myself.
Yeah,
I'm torturing myself.
You're torturing your own body.
Nuh-uh! A tongue is not a body. It's attached to your body. Wait, is it a body? Oh, now I'm scared. I need stronger cinnamon. This isn't that bad. Sorry.
It's okay, I didn't get it in my head. Aren't you going to do it again because it's fun?
Oh, that's so gross. And it burns my tongue.
Did you love that?
Well, there was your show. You have to get someone to torture themselves. Bye. I'll do more videos later.